Good morning, I'm Matej from the Environmental Perspectives and welcome to the Global News Monday. Today we have 4 pieces of news and the link to the article for each of those news pieces is in the description below. The first news is there is a new hypothesis explaining why the 4 limbs or arms of TRex are so small. So previously few hypotheses were suggested, but none of them made much sense. So the new theory assumes that several T-Rexes would gather around the carcass of another dinosaur, which is very big, and start tearing it with their jaws. And while fighting for access, their forelimbs would easily be vulnerable to attack by a neighboring T-Rex, and therefore small arms would be an advantage. What is interesting with this theory is that it's not asking what T-Rex arms should be, but instead an opposite question: what T-Rex arms should not be. The second news is an article in the magazine New Yorker about climate change, and all climate change articles these days are very heavy, but this one offers a new perspective, and that is that at least today we have a technology to tackle climate change, but only thing we lack is a political will. So that's kind of a positive aspect to this gloomy topic. The third news is that building of a wildlife crossing is approved in California, and this is one of the biggest and most significant wildlife crossings in that state. So it's 70 meters long and 55 meters wide, and it will enable mountain lions and other animals to cross over one of the busiest highways in California. The fourth news is that baleen whales eat much more than it was previously thought. And that has important consequences for the whole ocean ecosystem. So basically whales eat zooplankton and then excrete it as a poop, which is rich in minerals, and those minerals enable phytoplankton to grow again. And since phytoplankton is food for zooplankton, this process increases the productivity of the whole ocean ecosystem. So basically, whales are great. The question of the day: which one of these questions intrigued you the most? So 1, T-Rex, 2, climate change, 3, animal crossing, or 4, the whales. That's all for today. Until the next time, goodbye.